Hello, my dear children. Today, we are going to discuss muscular tissue and nervous tissue. With this, we are coming to the end of this lesson. We have already learnt in the previous classes that we are able to move because of the help of our muscles. So, the tissue that is responsible for the movement of our body is the muscular tissue. Muscular means made up of muscles. The cells of this tissue are elongated and made up of contractile proteins. Contractile proteins help in the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The contractile proteins present in muscles are actin and myosin. Muscular tissue are of different types. There are three major categories: striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. The first one is the striated muscles. As the name suggests, when these muscles are observed under a microscope, striations or lines are seen in the form of dark and light bands. These striated muscles are found attached to the bones, and so they are known as the skeletal muscles. These muscles help in the movement of our hands and legs, that is, the movements that are according to our will or under our control. Such movements are called voluntary movements, and thus they are called as voluntary muscles. Now let us look at the structure of these muscles. They are long and cylindrical in structure. They are unbranched and multinucleated. The next type of muscles is the smooth muscles. They are unstriated and involuntary muscles. Unstriated because when seen under a microscope, they don't show any banding pattern or striations. When stained and observed under a microscope, they are uninucleated and spindle-shaped. Why are they called involuntary muscles? Because their activities are not under our control. Now let us see where these muscles are found. They are found in the stomach, in the bronchi of lungs, uterus, and iris of eye. The next type of muscles is the cardiac muscles. They are found in the heart. These muscles are responsible for the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. The working of our heart is because of these cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles are involuntary in action. Their structure is like striated muscles. They are cylindrical, branched, and uninucleated in structure. So, the three types of muscles in our body are striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Next is the nervous tissue. That is the tissue which is responsible for transmitting or carrying messages from one part of the body to another. Our brain, spinal cord, and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. The cells of nervous tissue are called nerve cells or neurons. Let us see the structure of a neuron. This is the structure of neuron. A neuron consists of a cell body, also called as the cytone, which has a nucleus and cytoplasm. The single long part of the neuron is called the axon, and the branched part is called the dendrite. Most of the messages that are passed through the nerves are in the form of electrical signals. We call them as nerve impulses. These nerve impulses allow us to move our muscles. Actually, it is the combination of nervous and muscular tissue which enables animals to respond to stimuli.